Hello everyone, my name is Kirti. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be for all those students who are presently studying natural sciences, subjects like environmental sciences, biodiversity conservation, natural resource management, sciences, forestry, or degrees like these. So today I'm going to enlist some important organizations which can be helpful in your professional career. Like if you want to know that if you want to know that how is the recruitment process and how these organizations recruit their employees, you can get information in their official website, right? What you have to do, you have to just type this name and Google it, and you can get the information, every information either related to its internship process, how you can intern in these organization, how what skills you required if you want to join these organization. You can get to know all these, and you can get to know about the work they are doing. You can get this information in their official website, right? So this information you can get from these organizations. So here I'm enlisting these organizations in a single platform, so this will be helpful for all of you guys there. The first one is Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun; National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, NEERI, that is in Nagpur; Forest Research Institute, Dehradun; Center for Science and Environment, New Delhi; Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology; Himalayan Action Research Center, Delhi Jal Board; Quality Council of India; Central Pollution Control Board; National Center for Polar and Ocean Research; National Institute of Disaster Management; National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research; National Wildlife Federation, IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature; Wildlife Conservation Society; National Institute of Hydrology; UN Climate Change; BirdLife International; World Meteorological Organization; Center for Environment Education; Fauna and Flora International; Worldwide Fund for Nature; World Conservation Monitoring Center; United Nations Environment Program Finance Initiative; Bureau of Indian Standards; Wildlife Trust of India; Marine Conservation Society; Terry School of Advanced Studies; Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and Environment; United Nations Sustainable Development Group; ICARDA, that is International Center for Agricultural Research in the Dry Areas; Chartered Institute of Ecology and Environmental Management; Wildlife Conservation Trust; Amphibian and Reptile Conservation; IUCN Business and Biodiversity Program; Environmental Management and Policy Research Institute; National Board for Quality Product Promotion; Indian Green Building Council; Global Landscapes Forum; National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories; Center for Wildlife Studies; Network for Certification and Conservation of Forest; International Union of Forest Research Organizations; National Institute of Ocean Technology; National Institute of Disaster Management; National Productivity Council; the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History; and Indian Institute of Forest Management, that is in Bhopal. Beside this, there are some more organizations which I have not enlisted in this video, and they are like Bombay Natural History Society, Zoological Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, National Highways Authority of India. So if you need any information regarding these organizations, you can just Google their name, and you will get a lot of information regarding these organizations in their official website, right? So I have enlisted all of them in a single platform. Hope it will be helpful. So this is all. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.